In today's video, we will learn how to create a smoothly zoom in and zoom out effect. So let's jump into the timeline. I have a simple video footage here. This video without zoom out and zoom in effect. First, we will go to the project panel and create an adjustment layer. Drag this adjustment layer on the top of the layer and increase the adjustment layer to full video size. Then we will go to the effect panel and search transform effect. Drag this transform effect on the top layer and go to the effect panel. And here you can see transform effect here. I'll move 1 second of this video and enable the position stopwatch keyframe and scale stopwatch keyframe and move forward a few times like 3 seconds. Then increase scale value 150% and fix this position to center. Then increase shutter angle 360% and select both of these keyframe and then apply ease in and ease out effect and turn on this 2 keyframe option and increase the curve value to left side. Move forward to 0 second. Now if I play this video, you will see the effect has been applied. Now this time I will learn zoom out effect. Go back to the 0% of this keyframe and apply ease in effect. Then decrease the curve value. Now if I play the video, you will see the effect has completely done. Now if I save this effect to use our future video, go to transform and save the preset. Now we will choose the name here. I'll select zoom in and out and hit the OK button. To learn more amazing video editing tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to our upcoming videos.